Hi, in this video we are going to do a hands-on review of the Redmi 2. Xiaomi has introduced the phone as a successor to its first, and it does promise better features, so let's take a closer look. Built-in design. The design is definitely not something that will amaze you, but the phone feels solid in your hand. It has retained the rectangular slab form from the first, but it feels much smaller and lighter now. The front panel features a 4.7-inch display which comes with an AGC Dragon Trail glass, which is shatter and scratch resistant. Moving to the back, the phone has a removable back cover which comes in a very nice matte finish. Xiaomi will offer back covers in different colors to let you customize your own phone. It features an 8MP camera lens and slightly protrudes out, an LED flash and a speaker outlet in addition to some MI branding. Removing the back cover reveals a 2200 mAh battery, 2 slots for micro SIM cards and a micro SD card slot. On the side, the metallic power and volume rocker keys are conveniently located at the right edge, while the micro USB port is at the bottom. The 3.5mm headset jack sits at the top. The metallic keys offer good tactile feedback. Overall, the Redmi 2 does not look very different from the Redmi 1S, though it's almost 25 grams lighter and has slightly smaller dimensions. We must say the phone exudes a feeling of durability and is a well-built device for its price. The display. The Redmi 2 sports a 4.7-inch 720p fully laminated IPS display. The display is among the best ones we've seen at this price. Colors look vivid and brightness levels are optimum. Sunlight legibility was above average, though the display is a little reflective. Viewing angles are really wide and there's no distortion. Thanks to the higher display resolution, images, text appear crisp and sharp. The touchscreen also seems very responsible. The display also comes with a scratch-resistant glass, but it does leave a lot of smudge marks from your fingers, so we recommend you get a screen protector. The software. Xiaomi Redmi 2 runs MIUI 6, a new version of the company's operating system based on Android 4.4 KitKat. The new OS boasts of a flatter design, smoother transition effects, better multitasking and notification interfaces. One of the highlight features of the MIUI is the ability to customize the user interface with themes, downloadable wallpapers, and clocks. The theme app offers a number of free themes, each of which comes with a different set of icons, wallpaper, app switcher, font style, sounds, lock key styles, and even system apps. It's worth pointing out that some MIUI themes don't work with the MIUI 6. MIUI 6 allows users to identify, mark, or block unwanted calls. It also supports batch organization of app icons, access to notifications from any screen, including the lock screen. The new UI also offers floating notifications that show up at the top of the screen and are not actionable. For instance, if you receive a phone call when you're taking a picture via the camera app, it will display a floating prompt on the top of the screen with end and accept buttons. It also has an iOS-like badge notification that show the unread count of top of app icons. Another great addition to the MIUI 6 that allows you a one-handed operation. All you have to do is swipe at the bottom and the entire screen moves to one side, giving you access to the entire screen and all the functions. To come back to normal mode, all you have to do is click on the empty space in the side. Light mode. The Redmi 2 also offers a light mode that features a simplified home screen and menus. You can switch to the light mode by going to the settings and enabling the mode under the general settings tab. The phone reboots to light mode, which looks a bit like Windows Phone with its big tiles for more important apps, large fonts, simplified versions of the phone, and message apps. The light mode is good for first-time smartphone users and the elderly, as it doesn't overwhelm with hundreds of options, settings, and apps. Part of the Android smartphone experience. You can reboot to the full-fledged UI mode by going to the settings app and disabling light mode via system settings. The camera. Xiaomi Redmi 2 sports an 8MP rear camera accompanied by an LED flash. According to Xiaomi, the phone's fifth element lens has a f2.2 aperture to capture more light. We have to say that the camera hardware of the phone is the best in the segment, with similarly priced rivals lagging behind by leaps. The camera's app is similar to the one on the Mi4 and does not let you control the exposure manually. There are 3 screens where you slide horizontally in still mode, The first one featuring live filters, the middle one is the default camera interface, and the last one has toggles for panorama, HDR, manual, scene modes, and a settings button. In video mode, the interface is limited to 2 screens, with one offering toggles for fast and slow motion video, in addition to settings that let you select full HD video recording mode. Battery backup. The phone packs a 2200 battery which will last you a full working day if you put the screen brightness at the highest level and use 3G data all the time. You will be able to make at least 1 to 2 hours of phone calls, play some casual games and browse the web in this time period. It lasted more than 22 hours with light to medium usage. Our verdict: the phone is good value for money since it's priced at just $6,999.